Hello, friends. Today I am going to share with you how to meditate if you have a busy lifestyle. I hope this will help you a lot. Now let's get started. How to meditate if you have a busy lifestyle. Meditation is a process offering many advantages. While you only need to take 10 minutes out of your schedule to meditate, it can be challenging to implement if you're extremely busy. Those who lead busy lifestyles will benefit from meditation, as a busy life can often result in added stress, and meditation is one way to solve that. If you are looking to participate in meditation, here's how. 1. You only need to meditate for a few minutes. Despite what you may initially think, meditating for just a few minutes can be valuable for your health and well-being. You could always try meditating when you have a spare 5 minutes. 2. Try movement meditation. Movement meditation is a great technique to try if you lead a busy life. Movement meditation involves meditating while in motion. You could meditate while walking or doing household chores. It involves the same type of technique as traditional meditation, in focusing on your thoughts to gather them together. If you're at work or using public transport, then try meditating as you are seated. As long as you are sat in a comfortable position, you should find that you are able to spend a few minutes successfully meditating. 3. A few easy meditating exercises. If you are wondering how you can fit meditation into your hectic schedule, then attempt a few of these exercises. 4. In the morning. Meditating when you first wake up is highly effective, as it creates an uplifting aura for the rest of the day. In terms of your schedule, spending a few minutes meditating when you first wake up ensures that you don't have to try and fit it into the rest of your day. Try and wake up a few minutes earlier than normal if you are worried about time. You'll reward yourself with all the benefits that meditation can provide when you meditate daily. 5. During lunch. Meditation during the day is a great way to fit it into your routine. If you are at work, why not find a quiet area where you can meditate? 6. In the evening. Meditation in the evening is ideal if you struggle with sleep issues. Try meditating for a few minutes before going to bed, as this will help to put you in a calm state. It's much easier to drift off to sleep when you are feeling relaxed. 7. When you're feeling stressed. Meditating when you start to feel stressed will help to challenge those feelings. You'll be able to focus on the tasks you need to complete, rather than being overwhelmed by your thoughts. 8. Schedule it. Create a reminder for yourself that you need to meditate. When you are leading a busy life, it's easy to forget to do things like meditation and exercise. Why not create a reminder in your phone or write a note on your refrigerator, so you don't forget? If you want to use guided meditation to help you meditate, try the Zen 12 audio for brainwave meditation. Click the link below to download free brainwave meditation audio now. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.